trying to get to this Vender Village, and I've got the GPS coordinates, and this thing is sending me on the wildest goose chase. It had me go several miles down the freeway too far, and then turn right back and come back. But if you look at the map, there's exits right there. I can't figure it out. I'll just keep going. Pretty countryside out here anyway. Reminds me of the South. Well, I guess pretty much in the South, aren't I? Ozark Mountains here. But anyway, thing is leading me astray. Just ran off the goddamn road. Beautiful older houses that are. I couldn't turn away to see where I was pointing, so I don't know if I got the house or not. Anyway. Well, the Vender Village was a bust. It's nasty weather, and it is 5. Hey, look at these great big rock pits they dig out over here. I mean, huge. What are they doing with the rock out of that? I could see those things from the airplanes when I was flying into Springfield. Kind of circled over the city as we're coming in, and man, crazy, huge holes. And when you look down and it looks like a big ass hole from an airplane, that's pretty scary. This thing is talking about my GPS earlier. It's telling me I've got like 10 miles of freeway or something to go here, and it's telling me to, was it 5 miles? I thought it was a lot further than that. It's telling me to take the exit towards Battlefield Road. That's where the hotel is. I don't know. We'll see. They got the coolest rock formations that pop up out of the ground here. I don't know if they're using it for slate or. It seems like I know what they do with that, but just can't remember. But anyway, the SpyderFest Vender Village. Hold on a second here. Look how pretty this is. Gorgeous up in those beautiful trees. Imagine what this place looks like in the summer, especially in the fall. It's just got to be crazy beautiful. But anyway, everybody was closed down. The Spider Pops was open, and I'll have to look at my picture. Somebody else was open, but everybody else was sealed up. Old John Anderson, he was all closed up and hiding in his camper. I thought about going up and knocking on his camper, but I thought, nah, I don't bother him and this young lady there. Probably getting all cozy for the evening. Probably trying to warm up from the miserable day they had. But anyway, I'll come back in the morning. Hopefully the weather will be nicer. I spent most of my day at Pitbull. I'm sorry, I'm trying to read signs and talk at the same time. Probably not a smart thing to do, huh? But anyway, I spent too much time over there, but it was worth it. Got to spend some time with Lamont, some guys from BRP, some Spider factory technicians. It was cool. Meet some sales reps.
In 2 miles, take exit toward Battlefield Road.
Yeah, I'll be damned. It's taking me right. I must be thinking of yesterday, because I went about 15 miles or so up there somewhere. Wow, that's kind of cool. Guess I was a lot closer to home or home base anyway than I thought. Anyway, I'm babbling on like a BB in a boxcar. Anyway, it was a bust. It was pouring down rain. Nobody was there, so walked around, used this camera, which doesn't take the best pictures at all. You know, cell phone quality. But because it's pouring down rain, I'm not going to take any of my good cameras out. And as they say, a bad picture's better than no picture. So I'll get those up. I need to find something to eat. Shit. I had a muffin for breakfast, and that's all I've had today.